kynrum ha Bangladesh kala pelong yak sorkar Meghalaya banlum kyrkieh yak jingyalang bat kihe pulit kumjo kihe BSF bat shimru yak rai ban penjari da ka curfew miet ha shilenter ka kaput bat ka Bangladesh kat ba ka jinglong jingman ha ka te kari ba marjan kampat jai haba penbenai kini karai usembut menteri rang ba ka jela ba preston tensang ula pentip ba ka te ka curfew miet kan rekam nado kapor nru baji jan miet hadu kapor nru baji menstem ha ki jaka ki bahab apo arspa meter na zero line.
So today evening I call a meeting urgently on seeing the situation of Bangladesh government, which has already, I should say, collapsed. Then we had a meeting today at around 5:30 with the officers or chief secretary or DGP and also from the office of the IG BSF. So we discussed certain issues because we really don't know the situation in the near future. But to a proactive measure we need to take for the interest of the state as well as for the interest of the country as a whole. So today we decided to impose curfew all along the international border with Bangladesh from tonight itself. And this curfew will be implemented only up to 200 meters inside the Indian territory from the 0 point or from the pillar, we call it, from the international pillar 200 meters inside the Indian territory from 6 p.m. up to 6 a.m. in the morning every day till the situation is improved. Then the government again will take further decision on this imposition of the curfew. So that is the decision we taken today, and the curfew will start, as I said to you, immediately from tonight. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state staying in those areas to kindly bear with the government for imposition of this curfew policy. As I said to you, we don't know yet the situation in Bangladesh. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state, especially for our citizens who stays in the border area between Bangladesh, to kindly cooperate and also to be ready in case if there is any information they receive. The state government as well as the IG or the BSF personnel are always there 24/7. Kajingdon ki BSF personnel hakine ki border area jongi poro akwa ban ong ba ka sorkar India kala pa gerbang susu kendai battalion kini ki BSF personnel hakaba idon menta hapo ki border area jongi poro ban omtang kata menta ka sorkar India kadang pen kre susu ban pa ki additional force shane sapo Meghalaya jongi namar ba kalong kecaka kaba lese kaban ketak nengkok ya kaneka kynrum kynram kabachia hangte hapo kari Bangladesh kumba nilaya yo i baro